तुम लोगों को फिर से स्वागत है टीम रॉकेट एडिशन में। और यस, ये आवाज तुम लोगों को मेन ऐसी आवाजें सुन लो, बट हम इसे डबल स्पीड में सुनेंगे। और अब चलो देखते हैं क्या होने वाला है। सेव कर ले भाई जेम्स। ओ थैंक गॉड, यस। क्या हुआ भाई?
As soon as I could. Damn it! I tried to outrun the grave. Oh, the geezer होगा जो भी है geezer. But I'm afraid I might have.
been too late. क्या हुआ भाई? The lock
Is ticking now. We have
to stop this quickly. क्या? Look James, I have not seen the basement lab. I know about the kid. I know everything. Now he's got his badge and he is leading off to fight the Elite Four.
Well, we both know he is going to have no trouble with them. Then, the moment he is champion, Oak will swoop in and make sure he has a complete political
control. हाँ भाई, ये तो बात है. Lou, anyway, no matter. भाई मेरा दोस्त ने बोला था ना, तो उसके बारे में बोलता ना, फालतू गुद्दी चटकाता मैं. What is the name of the challenger who came in earlier? Some kid Red from Pallet Town, can't mistake him. I heard
he might be coming sound like a beast.
Man, Bill. Huh? Well, there is nothing left to speculate about, James. It's going down. We have to bet in. We have to move. तो जल्दी बकते हुए निकल लिया. By the way, मैंने एक चोरी की है और उसमें मेरे को मिला है हाइपर पोशन. नहीं, हाइपर पोशन नहीं, मैक्स पोशन जो भी है. ये रहा फुल रिस्टोर. हाँ, फुल रिस्टोर. भाई मेरा बहुत, अब तो मैं गुद्दी चिपका दूँ.
What are you talking about? Challengers only? You
Just let the psychopath of a professor. Don't you? This is important, woman. It's no use, James. We have to get in somehow. Look. I think so मुझे किसी को रोनी नहीं जान, तू इधर रोनी. Hey, what is all the commission, James? Are you guys trying to break in the Elite Four? That is Rad. What is that? You need help? What? You mean my help? Yes, Ronnie, आप लोग रोना बंद. का संबंध हो गया. Damn, I never thought you had to say that. You know, James, I know I have not been the greatest buddy in the world. I keep getting things wrong and squaring stuff up. I know I am not smart as you at all. I just wanted to be bad. A real badass pimp gangster, right? The whole 9 yards. I don't want to wait around. Don't want anyone to think I was a sissy. I could not take it. I'm ready for it. I'm going to set things straight and be proper thief like you one day. I will do things by the plan. No more cutting. So look, oh bhai, music change. So look, just this once. Leave it to me, James, for all time's sakes. All time's sakes. Eradicate! Oh, alert, you lazy rat. We have got work to do. Feed the Ronnie, Eradicate, give us a hyper fang. Well, that works. Don't worry, James. Me and Eradicate will stand guard.
here and keep noisy people out. You go do what you have to do.
Oh, bhai. Well, that is it, James. I don't know what is going to happen when we go through these doors behind me. तो अब मैं ready हूँ. चलो चलते हैं भाई. I said my player already. भागो भाई, कहाँ चला? चलो भाई, अबे इससे लड़ना पड़ेगा. Who are you then? First Oak, then Bill. Now this swaggy fellow who look might be Giovanni's nephew. This is a big happy reunion finally, huh? Well, Rick, now my Pokemon are. Oh! अच्छा, तो मुझे लगा फाइट करनी पड़ेगी Elite Four से. चलो. Schemes Red rounded her up quickly, not surprising. Owned quickly. निकल लिया भैंस की वो तो. अबे तुम्हारे काल चाल है. This is crazy, my friend. These powerful children, who do they come from? That child with the spiky hair. I thought I had a chance. Not so. They once called Red. Totally destruction. I admire his power and his discipline, but I sense there is something not right about. Battle के लिए मना हुआ है. Ah, we meet again, James. Much has happened, it seems. I was filled with pride when Blue defeated me and took his rightful place as champion. Pride that there was something worth prevencing in my blood after all. खुद ही की तारीफ ओ भाई साहब. But Red, he seems a different beast altogether. I had never paid much attention to that child, but it's clearly I made a mistake. I can. Well, you are looking for Samuel, aren't you? I will say. When he walked past me right now, I was strange. He was ice cold. मैं जानता हूँ भाई उसको उसको इतनी ज़्यादा फट गई थी उसकी फट गई थी लिटरली कि भाई साहब ब्लू कैसे जीत गया. Don't say a word. There was something in him, like the way he used to be there in the old days, like he has a definite purpose he was chasing. Do what you must, do what you must, James, but bear in mind, kya, that I was honor whenever is the rightful champion, and I can't stand behind anyone who interfere with that justice you've been warned. फाइट करेगी क्या मैं मेरे से नहीं जीत सकती वो बहस क्या all though नहीं all गाटा दो God that kid is fast we have to hurry James तू गाय मेरे को छोड़ के आगे चला गया अबे Lance you again I won't stand for this meddling as if seeing that one of a professor again won't enough now we are indeed by genuine terrorists. If my Pokemon had any heal left, I'd teach you a lesson, Thug. And where I still champion, I had you hanged. And if the only. Look at me, what did Garatina's name have burned? I don't know how could have prepared for these super kids. I suppose what difference does it make in the end? If you are defeated by Child X or Child Y, at what point is your dignity so crushed that you must just stop caring? Go then. Lord knows you people are not my responsibility. बंदा बंदा पूरी डिफरेंस जा चुका है बंदा बोल रहा है भाई देख तूने मेरे को दो बच्चों ने इतना गंदी तरीके से कूटा अब तो मेरा भाई कुछ पर्पस ही नहीं बचा जिंदगी में मैं कुछ कहना चाहते हो they have been the all beaten damn it James you know what that means Red so you have won sincerely congratulations you are the new champion league Pokemon League champion you have grown up so much since you first left the Charmander to work on the Pokédex Red you have come of age Blue I am disappointed in you भाई मैं पीट दूंगा प्रोफेसरों को I came when I heard you beaten the Elite Four but when I get here you had already lost Blue do you understand why you lost
You have forgotten to take your Pokemon Reserve and test. Without them, you will never become a champion again. Red, you understood that your victory was not just your own doing. The bond you share with your Pokemon is marvelous. Red, come with me.
I don't understand Grandpa! I treated my Pokemon with respect always. Give them the rest and the love they needed. I did. I swear I did everything right. I was so sure of it. I thought when I was finally champion that you would at least stop and say you were proud. So much for nothing, James. I
Will be damned. I actually told them that it really did it. Oh, that's me scanning professor. The crowd will arrive any minute. Not idea at all. I was really hoping we could solve this in private. Not to worry, James. We are just going to have to fall back to another solution. Oh, here, ladies and gentlemen, champion Blue has been defeated. It's my honor to announce that new champion of Conto Gen 2 is Red from Town. Please stand by for further comments by new champion. Well, there is nothing we can do now. But wait, I'm going to have to
make a phone call. Oak, my. How good it to see you, people of Kanto. This is Professor Samuel Oak speaking. I stand before you with our new champion, a unique, talented young boy whom I have had the privilege to rise as my own in our little town. Red! Yes. Marvelous. अबे पढ़ ही नहीं पाया. I know I have to. I know seeing me here again. But rest across, I address you as a red caretaker. Not. I'm sorry to say that this unique gift of his has come to a price. Red, unfortunately, is suffering from certain social disability जो भी है. He can't speak in public without pang of debilitating terror, and he struggled to communicate with the outsider world. Okay. बहाने दे रहा है. So for that reason, I am talking on a special responsibility thing. I will rent Red's right hand man, his main politician advisor, and I will communicate his voice to you, his wishes to you, the people. Do you agree with agreement, Red? Have I understood you right? अबे यार नो बोल देता. Yes. Very well then. अबे यार इतनी जल्दी कैसे चला गया? It's clear to me. And to Red as well, of course.
If they should fall into crime hands, what if they should run away? We must dedicate all our resources to capturing them, bring them under government control. For public safety to preserve our culture heritage. Yes, dear Cantonese, Lance has done us great this service. There is no question. So I believe, only because I agree with Red's reasoning of course, that nothing but the strictest punishment in the order. Lance should be brought in all months. Strictest punishment in the order. Lance should be brought in all months. Do you agree with these mentioned, Red?
So, this meeting cannot be allowed to continue. अबे यार ये क्या स्पिरिट से म्यूजिक बज गई. Everyone listen, Red can't be champion. He is no real Pokemon trainer. He is not human being. Just some creature, some laboratory experiment created by Oak to do his bidding. It's all a shame. We have proof. Irrefutable, we have proof. Nonsense! Look, you will trigger the poor boy anxiety with such aggressive, blameless, baseless accusations. Ideally, he's been through enough emotion stress for one day. He is going to need a safe space to retreat to for the moment. Apologies, but we
will need fear for more from champion Red at later time. What's going on? We demand an explanation. Let us go for
Hall of Fame room. Here. Wait. Samuel, is it true? That's what it was all these years? Not crowded, but cunning? How could I fail to see? The Kanto we wanted, we could have it again. Hold it! You are not going anywhere. You punny business जो भी है. This man is somehow someone you could never measure up to. He will create the perfect Kanto, a place for strong to purpose. Don't you understand? अबे ये पागल हो चुकी है क्या? If you want to get in between, you get through me first. अबे ये कैसे Pokemon choose कर लिया इसने? ओह अच्छा यूज करना है क्या? मतलब बिल्कुल ही दबा के यूज करना है भाई. ये ने वो सही किया वैसे. ये रहा जेम्स वुड. ओ गैंगार हंटर. ओके चलो भाई तू तो मेरा है बेटे. James, I had a feeling you had stepped forward. There's nothing more to be said. I have given your follow. मैं तो यहाँ से निकल रहा हूँ ऐसी. अबे यार बुढ़ी तो जाना ही नहीं देती. There is nothing more to say. I have given you forewarning. You saw as well as I that Red is rightful champion. There will be none of these cups and conspiracies जो भी है here. I will guard this door on my honor. बुढ़ी तेरी ऐसी तैसी वार्ता रुक जा. न चुराया ना तेरे पोकेमोन न चुराया ना मैंने. ओह शिट शैडो बॉल. इसकी स्पीड ज्यादा है. कोई बात नहीं पीट दिए जाओगे भाई. पीट दिए जाओगे यहाँ पे. किया जाता है यार. पीट दे. अबे यार शिट क्या करूँ. रुको भाई क्वेश्चन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे क्योंकि देखो भाई चीज़ें पड़ी हुई है. अब यूज़ करो भाई. क्या अगले साल यूज़ करूँगा क्या मैं? दिखा के दिखा दो भाई. बंदा मर जाएगा पॉइजन नहीं लगेगा. अबे ये कौन सा देखता हूँ. ओके चेंज कर लिया उसने. गेंगार. अबे तू तो गलत ले लिया. गेंगार को तो बहुत बुरा असर पड़ेगा इसका. सॉन्ग का क्या हुआ भाई? क्रंची मारना था इससे. मेरे को लगा कि इसका वैसे ही होगा कि डार्क टाइप से कुछ ज़्यादा असर ना पड़े। लू क्या कौन सा पोकेमोन को है इसके पास अच्छा सा पोकेमोन। वेरी वेल, जस्ट नो सलमान वॉन्ट टेक काइंडली टू योर इंटरफेयर्स। इफ हिज ओल्ड सेल्फ रियली हैज रिटर्न देयर इज नथिंग ही कुड। अबे हो गया यार कुत्ते। हमारी बिल्ली थी, बिल्ली बैठी हुई थी और गेट में, तो उसने वो कितना वो कर रहा था। ओके, देयर इज नथिंग वी कुड डू लाइक एनीवे बट अ लॉस इज। छी भाई ये बोला था ना मैंने, ये तुम्हारी ऐसी तैसी गुद्दी में चढ़ाता हूँ। लो भाई, James applied the crowbar to pry the door open. Ah, it gave. Oh boy, sub. Hello, Rocket! I think you should know you are one of just. I know that when I saw his plus जो भी है beat for his first time in my lab, I know I held the key to complete lasting power. Surrendering the war was just the next logical step. I will tell you this. It will the hardest thing I ever did. Becoming Kanto's territor. Okay. But it helped reinforce a lesson I have had learned bunk to learn about honor. You see, in war, people will fight to their dying breath, but in peacetime, they will forfeit without a second through to any old.
Kid who can beat them in a Pokemon battle, all in the name of dishonor. So it stands to reason. If you control the strongest trainer, you control the shape of a history. See, I had no plan to be a several leader, just a smart one. What do I care about my legacy, about living up to higher virtues? Where is the relation rational, scientific basis for believing in any of that when I'm dead? No of it will matter. I have surrounded all my life by these idiots who fail to see that there is only power and weakness, pleasure and pain, life and death, none of their precious well.
Mean anything in the final analysis. अबे इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग क्या लगा रहा है? जियो भाई, मजे करो, अपनी लाइफ जियो। इसमें क्या मतलब जीना है मरना है, कोई ताकतवर है कोई कमजोर है भाई, हर जगह कोई ना कोई किसी चीज़ में तो अच्छा ही है। इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? तुम तो यार बिल्कुल ही ऐसा कर रहे हो कि कब्जा ही कर लोगे। बनाया भी तुमने बिल्कुल रोबोट ही है, तुम इसे रोबोट ही कह लो, जो कि बस कमांड में चलता है, हाँ ना। It's why I
and went and tripped that onto you about anything I like, because the word of a slowly criminal mean nothing to a person of any situation. If I face you in a court of law, we both know who will win. I do what I can, pull the string I have to pull to further my own interests. I don't need any pompous ideas to fail myself into thinking I am doing anything else. Yes, I have been there all along in Red Adventure, neglecting him in the right direction, whispering in his ear when he was about to make a mistake. Nobody in their right mind would think a child should hold the power of device that like Master Ball, but when the opportunity presented itself for him to grab a copy, I could not possibly let him pass it by. Then of course, I needed to make sure none of the Mewtwo scientists would suddenly get curious about red origins. So I stepped in to keep them out of the way. If it was not for Bill, I would have easily scared them into submission. Now it became clearly to me when my aides called me about your little intersection on my lab that I have not insured myself again every contingency. But it does not matter, all can still be well. These slip-ups can be rectified if I stick to the plan and I do not let my emotion get away with me. Red is quite the role model in that regard, isn't he? The very image of pure, cold-blooded relativity. He is very nearly human, unlike us, in almost every way. He lack only that emotional core, moral and consequence. I didn't lack some ultimate goal to aim his innate aggression and unconcentrated intelligence at. It's lucky for him that I can provide exactly that. Doesn't it fascinate you?
Now you know the truth. Who is Red, really? What is his personality? He could be anyone. He is only a puppet. Yes, a puppet for someone else to control from a distance. That is his purpose in life. I think, Rocket, you are much alike in that way. The two of you. हाँ भाई बात तो सही है. But that is enough talk. I happen to know Red gave you a thought beating somewhere at Mount Moon a long time ago. हाँ सब इसको पता है, मतलब रेड ने बताया है इसको सब कुछ कि भाई मैंने पीट रहा था. सबके नाम याद रखा होगा भाई इसने कि मतलब जियोनी को भी पीटा होगा, वहाँ पर पीटा हुआ होगा, किसी को भी लेंस को भी पीटा, उसको पता है भाई, सब ये बता देता है बिल्कुल ही. But then your Pokemon seem to be the only defense you have. So in the name of culture, silly little जो भी है etiquette, stand tall, Rocket, and face him like a man. बहुत बेटर भाई. भाई अबे मेरे क्या हुआ एक पोकेमोन को? 1 मिनट भाई, ये तो बहुत कमजोर है. छी भाई ये तो बहुत कमजोर है रेड भाई. हाय चारिज़ार्ड, बहुत अच्छा लगा तुमसे मिलके, मुझे तो मज़ा आ गया। बेटे तू तो गया, तू मेरे से नहीं बच सकता। सेफ गार्ड, अबे भाई कुछ ना होने वाला है मेरे सामने। भाई तूने गलत पंगे ले लिए रेड भाई, तूने गलत पंगे ले लिए इस बार। मैं 60-70 लेवल का तो आने की सोच रहा था। वैसे ड्रैगनाइट तो मैंने मेन स्नोलैक्स नॉर्मल टाइप पोकेमॉन है, नॉर्मल मूव से तो मेरे को डरने वाली बात ही नहीं है। ओके लैपरेस, अभी थोड़ी डरने की बात है। भैंस की मैंने कितनी बार, तुम्हें पता है कितनी बार लड़ा हूँ भाई मैं पिकाचू के। एक और था यार, पता नहीं कैसे कैसे बंदे थे, 2 और पोकेमॉन थे जो अच्छा खासा लेवल अप दे देते। अलेक्ज़ैम, तू तो गया अलेक्ज़ैम। तूने अलेक्ज़ैम कैसे लिया भैंस की? किससे ट्रेड किया राइट तूने? तू तो बहुत शाय बंदा है। ओह प्रोफेसर ओक से किया होगा अब दूसरे बारे। भाई साहब मैंने बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन है, सबको 55 लेवल का किया भाई। लकी एग नहीं होता ना भाई, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाता सच में। लकी एग की देन है भाई, ये लकी एग की देन है। जेम्स गॉड इतना पैसा। ओके लैपरेस, चारिज़ार्ड, यस भाई इसका मेन पोकेमॉन ही ले लो। No, it's not possible. I was not prepared for Red, you worthless idiot. I won't have everything fall apart. Not like this. Step away, kid. I will handle this in myself. Oh shit. Samuel. Oh, I can't wait any longer. Please forgive me for letting the criminal inside. I'm sorry, Samuel. I'm sorry. I had you all wrong. I really thought 10 years ago that you had become a coward. I don't seem right to me. अबे ये पक्का भी इसको भी पीट देगा. I know it don't add up. I should have realized that your strength, your vision, your commitment to being the greatest, most powerful leader in the world never left you. Truly, you were a man of honor all along. I should have never let your side. I am not.
आप लोग रोना बंद कीजिए, मेरे तक आवाज आ रही है।
Let us build the canto we dreamed of together. Everything can just as you. How dare you? You throw me away in disgust when I am at lowest and weakest. Then come back begging at my feet right as written and power. Oh, मैंने सिग्मा मेल लड़ने को इसके रियल पे. Oh, you are a woman thought all the Agatha sorry सुना मजा आता है वो. And then to speak me now in lofty term about love and honor. You disgust me. You had your choice, don't you deny it. And you have shown me now beyond a shadow of doubt just how deep your loyalty runs. Here, I will show you what I think about your honor. Oh, Tauros. भाई बचा भाई, गीगा इम्पैक्ट, रोबोबैस की गीगा इम्पैक्ट, नो होल्ड बैक. अबे निकाल पोकेमॉन, अबे इसमें ओ भाई पीड़ दिया उसने. अबे अभी क्यों नहीं निकाला इसने अपना होंटार. अबे तूने बेवकूफ बुढ़िया कुछ तो करती. बिल्कुल ही डिफेंस प्योर क्या अंधी औरत है इसकी. हाँ कोई और औरत होती तो पक्का भी ओको उसकी औकात याद दिला देती. Well, what are you working at, Rocket? I believe we had some unfinished business. भाई मेरे गुस्से में हो जाते. It's always the same damn things. Inaccurate plan जो भी है supported by the whim of medical people. It's a term, isn't it?
To get anything done, you have to it yourself. Now let's see how best we do to deal with a noisy whistle.
Like you. Jesus, never mind those ghosts anymore. Looks like we missed out the real action. रोनी आ गया. What a cranger भाई. रोनी देख भाई, तू संभल के रही हो भाई. तू इसकी जैसी हरकतें मत कर रही हो भाई. I never liked that lady much, but she must be really pinched a nerve to deserve that treatment. And without any health Pokemon left to defend herself. ये अच्छा मैंने पीट दिया था. उस शिट पर खुद ही भूल अपने से पीट दिया था. Here James, I figure you might take it in Rocket. No one else has fainted chance of saving you. You are on your own. अबे यार मेरे को फिर लेवल अप तो करने देते थोड़ा सा. मैं कैंडी यूज कर लेता. कितना लेवल का? 54 छी. मैं खाते मैं से डर रहा हूँ इसकी. इंटर 8 BD8. ओके रुक जा बेटे, भी तेरी औकात तो बताता हूँ. वन शॉट. नहीं कर ले. ला खत्म करो उसको, हाँ खत्म कर दिया, चलो पता नहीं यार। अबे और आउट ऑफ कंफ्यूज पेटल डांस ना, वेटे मर गया है तो रेस्ट इन पीस। मेरे प्यार का होता है भाई, कुछ नहीं होता। मेरे पास एक दो पड़े थे, मैंने यूज कर लिए, बढ़ जा तेरी ऐसी नहीं है। यही बढ़िया है, एयर टाइप मूव जो भी है ना, ये बहुत बढ़िया है। हाँ भाई स्टील कराओ। टोरोस तो नहीं चाहिए, एग्जीक्यूटर भी नहीं चाहिए, आर्कनाइन भी नहीं चाहिए, वीनस और दे दे इसकी। सबसे पोकेमॉन शिनो है, इसकी दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है। I can't be right. It can't be right. I was not supposed to be this way. I was everything planned to ninth to कौन है? Oh, Lens. You don't really think you could keep us out forever, don't you? Oh, पुलिस आ गई. You stand accused of government company जो भी है conspiracy professor of violating your ban on Pokemon battle. And I will bet you not innocent in whatever to Agatha.
As for Red and the claim that he is not human, he will subject to thorough medical explanation, so we can explain that for a fact. You are a fool, Oak. Did you really think you could sneak back control of this place with your intelligence intellectual schemes? In case you are forgotten, in the real world, we earn our power by sweat and blood. Sims geeks are only our ever Pokemon master in their dreams. Grin him. Stand back, you don't know what you are talking about, and you will not go going against the
Champion wishes. Red, quickly! Your Pokemon. Send them out. I need their protection. Oh, boy, stop. I knew how to operate this machine, you idiot. I will put it my new name as the new champion and rule the region from this room. I can do a lot of damage before you get me out, believe me. अब हम जल्दी से, damn it, James! Are you healthy enough to fight Red Pokemon again? If only we could reach that computer. Come on, do something. Okay. A missing number is taking inside its Pokeball. Oh, bhai sab. My God, it's still around it. Is it the cast for जो भी है? What am I ever said? Oh, bhai sab. It's corrupting everything, every record. What a creature. ओ भाई क्या? खुश हो रहा है तो? ओ मैंने वो कर दिया. Oh, wait till you speak to my lawyer. You are in बिल्क जो भी है. And grab this pink-haired rocket as well. It's about time he answered for his crimes and the evil of that rotten organization. No! James was the one who stopped Oak. He was not deserve this. Silence! अबे मेरे को भाई छोड़ो, मैं लेंस को उसकी औकात याद दिलाऊं. There has been enough meddling with the law today already. I will not have any more criminal running free. Hey Rocket, welcome to World of Pokemon. Ha ha ha. भाई मैं गुद्दी चटका दूंगा. इसको क्या हुआ? मैंने बहुत ज्यादा थूक दी. Your Honor, I don't think I want Joby here. Let someone else take it. After what I have learned about Grandpa, I don't need to approval anymore. I have other stuff I need to do. Judge, very well. Then the position default to Lens. Oh, Your Honor, I will gladly expect the burden of reasoning my position in the name of self-defense, not in civilized society. That is all. You are accused. अब मेरी बारी. Professor समझना लोग. अबे नहीं तो की बारी आ गई. You have been accused of voluntary manslaughter.
And also comparing to appended the government to engineering a genetic modification of a human boy grown from the blood testing obtained to authority uniquely and equally suited to take down the individual league champion, created all as part of an 11th year of plan to return to power in city gravity hidden from public view. But the 11% is empty. For a charge this is equal to hold anyway, we have to present it with substantial evidence. No such evidence has suffered to change the charge in dismissed. Okay. Moreover, no visible eyewitness testimony could be brought forth about your involvement to the Natasha. In good faith, we can only consult that she died an unfortunate accident of Pokemon battle. On the other hand, the jury
your research will not be funded. Professor Oak, you are hereby banished from the Kanto region. Seek your fortune else everywhere. जेम्स प्लीज अप्रोच द पिच। ओके, तो बात ये है कि जेम्स को मतलब भाई साहब मतलब जो ओक है वो बच गया, मतलब टोटली, मतलब कि बस ये कि इसको थोड़ा उसकी सज़ा मिलेगी। एक तो कि उसने रेड को बनाया और जो भी है उसने अपना लैब दिखाया, लेकिन लैब के अंदर कुछ मिला नहीं ऐसा कि वो लोग कुछ इसके ऊपर एक्शन ले सकें, और कोई विटनेस भी नहीं है। इसने बच गया। मैं तो पिटने वाला हूँ भाई। एज अ मेंबर ऑफ क्राइम सिंडिकेट टीम रॉकेट विद ऑनरेबल टाइटल Boss, you stand accused of countless elegant and comfort court of Pokemon theft, violent and inhabilitant जो भी है, complicated in Pokemon smuggling and violence towards women, robbery, possession and use of a forgotten Pokemon license, threatening and attacking a police officer, and assault the operation of a pairing of unlicensed professor operating in the underground path. James, there is bounty on your head. 292 voice. Yeah! You will owe the region of this amount in repercuted for your crimes. Finally, the jury declare you sentenced to be 42 years served in religion penitentiary जो भी है. I can only hope you are enjoy your time in the criminal underworld, James. It's plain to see why it's time we brought you back to the real world. James, I declare you guilty as charged. भाई खत्म हो गया भाई। भाई बहुत बढ़िया गेम था यार, मतलब मजा आ गया। भाई डाइंग का था भाई, सब प्लेयर। तो भाई ये देख लो भाई, खत्म हो चुका है फाइनली हमारा पोकेमॉन फायर रेड रॉकेट एडिशन, टीम रॉकेट एडिशन। मैं इसलिए बोलता था क्योंकि मैं जेम्स हूँ, इसलिए मैंने अपना नाम जेम्स रखा था। और क्योंकि अब खत्म हो चुका है भाई, बहुत मज़ा आया भाई। ये स्पेशल थैंक्स भी देख लो भाई तुम लोग। अभी कुछ है क्या, कुछ बैक सीन का कुछ है क्या यहाँ पर? हेलो, यस, इज द लीडर ऑफ बुक। अब यार कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं होला कि मेरे को कोई छुड़ाएगा जेम्स? मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया लास्ट में एंडिंग थोड़ी सी कि मेरे क्या हुआ, मतलब अभी देखूँ एक बार, कुछ बात चल रही है। इट्स द लीडर बाय द बुक शेल्फ, क्लाइंब ऑन डाउन, आई एम ऑलरेडी हियर। ओ yes, Oak had it all cleared out our we broken. I had to make sure none of those radiated him out in court, just in case. Oh no, oh, not to worry. I made copy of all his blueprinted and research note naturally. I will show you in person. Yes, very semester job, but nothing we can report quite. Indeed, with the technology advancement in the intervening decade, I think we could build a full growth battle ready prototype in just 3 years time. There you are. Well, come and see for yourself. ओ ये तो वो है ना जो गुम हो गया था शायद बंदा। हाँ, LM. I have seen enough, Bill. Count me in. मतलब मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो। Pleasure doing business with you, Professor. The end. Finally. मेरा क्या हुआ? ओए you lazy get up. You got a visitor. ओ मैं जेल में हूँ। ओके क्या ये कंटिन्यू होगी गेम? मेरे पास पोकेमॉन है। मेरे पास तो पोकेमॉन। Well, you today now you are led a rich friend lying around. अबे पक्का वो रोनी होना चाहिए भाई। रोनी होगा ना भाई मैं खुश हूँ, वरना तो बॉस होंगे तो मैं भी खुश हूँ भाई। बॉस या फिर रोनी, तो एक होना चाहिए। It's not right if you ask me, but I got a what the law says. Here we go. भाई ये कौन है? जेम्स, I see you are still around. Don't you recognize me? It's me, शिकागाकी। ओ शिकागाकी, वो प्रोफेसर जो जिसके कारण मैंने ये नोन नंबर पकड़ा था। I am bailing you out, young man, after what you did for me with भाई कितना अच्छा आदमी है भाई। Is the least I could do, but I bounty that you on your head. You have got to contribute with can. I will nothing left to feed myself. ओ उसने मेरे पूरे पैसे ले लिए। All right, your worthless croc, you are free to go. रोहानी तो नहीं है ना भाई यहाँ पे ना क्या ग्राउडन को बोलना Chicago. Well, there is freedom for you, James. How do you plan on using it? Expecting your rocket friend have all but surprised by now. Lance has let off his extra police officer, so could not bother you much anymore. How about simply take on the gym leader like a normal trainer? Well, phew, that is enough action for me this decade. Be God, James. I am grateful to you. ओ तो वो सारे गए भाई साहब. अब तो मैं तेल का बचा देना है भाई मुझे. जैसे एक बार म्यूटो को पकड़ते हैं, ठीक है. ओके, सभी में बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल हो गया. जेम्स, वी मीट अगेन. यू हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे. I thought for sure he would come like the child, but now I suppose he will never. You will do instead, James. I have leave a long life inside this cave. Perhaps it's time finally lead my guard and allow a worthy trainer to try his to catch me. You got one chance, James, but this time I'm not holding back. I never accept you as my master if you don't put a fight. Brace yourself. 80 लेवल. अबे नहीं भाई, मैं तो गया. ओके बट चीटिंग करूंगा भाई. चीटिंग वाला बंदा हो, ठीक है. अरे देखो भाई, पोकी बॉल फेंक के मारेंगे. भाई तुझे पता कुछ चांस ही नहीं है भाई. भाई देखो भाई, अब तो मुझे पकड़ लेना चाहिए, वरना तो भाई कोई फायदा नहीं है. पिट गया ना भाई, ये तो बहुत बेकार है. मुझे चाहिए भाई, तो मुझे चाहिए भाई, मुझे तो चाहिए भाई. ये देखो, ये चीटिंग कर रही. ये देखो, इसमें तो एक बार भी नहीं घूम रहा. मैं इसकी एक बार भी नहीं घूम रहा भाई. मैं तो भाई मैं पकड़े मानूंगा इसकी. ऐसा नहीं जाने दूंगा तेरे को भाई. लद्दी में नहीं हूँ भाई. फाइनली पकड़ लिया भाई, फाइनली पकड़ लिया भाई. कितना अटेम्प्ट में किया है मैंने पक्का 10 अटेम्प्ट में किया होगा ये. चलो भाई, मेरा काम तो हो गया. मैं इसकी देखो भाई, चीटिंग करना. देखो भाई, टीम रॉकेट तो हुई मैं. बुरे काम कर रही है ना, तो मेरा भाई जी नहीं भरता भाई. अब कहना चाहती है तुमको अलविदा जेम्स का. तुम्हारा साथ था इधर तक ही, और अब इसकी अगले पार्ट कुछ नहीं आने वाले. यही इसका एंड है, ठीक है. और मैं भी इसको डिलीट कर दूंगा, या फिर इसको याद की तरह रखूं, समझ नहीं आ रहा. जो भी है, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया इस गेम को खेलते हुए. तो अभी मैं मुस्कुरा रहा हूँ, तुम लोगों को पता नहीं है. 2 कारण से मुस्कुरा रहा हूँ. एक तो इसकी एंडिंग, और दूसरा हाँ यार, मज़ा आ गया देख के कि मैं चीटिंग की. चलो भाई, आज के वीडियो के लिए और इस सीरीज़ के लिए बस इतना ही. टीम रॉकेट आउट. बॉस कहता है दुनिया को तबाही से बचाने के लिए, सभी लोगों को बताने के लिए कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पूरी कायनात को अपनी मुट्ठी में कर सकते हैं. जेम्स, टीम रॉकेट हमारी लंबी है हाइट. सरेंडर को या फिर करो हमसे फाइट, छोड़ेंगे नहीं. टीम रॉकेट इस बार कामयाब रही.